Welcome back to Shaving Down Under, and we have an unboxing. And this is something I bought from Canada. I'm pretty sure it was through Facebook Marketplace. So I'd like to thank Andon, who is a fellow collector who was able to make this transaction take place, and also to the seller as well, as she wasn't initially planning to be posting this. So out it comes. That's right, this is a bit of a mystery one. Actually, it's a mismatch, but it's a nice mismatch. This did well using bubble wrap. If you ever need to send razors in the post, always bubble wrap them. Makes a big difference. So first off, there's the bingo moment. This case is a coronation case, and you don't see many of these around. And look, the quality of this case is just absolutely amazing. None of the black spots. It almost looks like it was made yesterday. Imagine being back 1953 and buying this or receiving this as a present, a razor. Like, imagine doing that with a cartridge razor off the shelf today in your local supermarket. All right, let's open her up. And there we go. Oh yes, really helping. Hang on. So there's a bit of lacquer there. I'll just tip that out. Look at that, people. So it houses a Malord. Look at the condition of that. I think there's a blade in there too. There is. Actually, that blade looks unused. So for all you blade people out there, let's get that so it focuses. Y1. That's NOS. Canadian blade. I wonder, is this a mismatch? Like, on face value, it is. But this case is NOS and this razor is NOS. The blade that's inside it, that's never been used. Is there date code? Try and get that to focus for you all. So I can't see a date code. That's amazing. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. So that's actually stuck in there. I'm just going to leave that. I'm not going to pull that out any further. That feels like there's a bit of glue behind that. Well, I don't know what to think here, people. Oh, hang on. Don't slide underneath there. Your improved Gillette one-piece razor. Gillette Safety Razor Company of Canada. Well, that's my lord in the photo there. I'll let you pause the film, the video, so you can read that. And on the back, I actually don't know what to think. Wow. This is amazing. So let's have a look inside that case. Looks like it's just been crunched up there, the lining. Which probably could be re-glued if carefully done. Oh, I don't want to move these blades. Leave that as it is. So that's I'm stoked. This is, yeah, I don't know what to say. Okay, people, hope you've stuck around and hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like if you enjoyed it, and if this is something that interests you, vintage razors, it's one of your first times checking out my channel, please subscribe. It'd be much appreciated. Okay, we'll chat to you soon in the next video. Ciao for now.